Hey guys, so today I will be walking you through a leg workout that is very beginner friendly. So if you're new to the gym or just not sure what to do, this video is perfect for you. If you don't know me, I have gone through a 50-pound weight loss journey after I had my son. I've built a ton of muscle and lost body fat as well. So this is just one example of a workout that I wish I would have had as a beginner who is completely new to the gym. For each exercise that we do today, I will be giving you form, tips, and cues so that you are getting the most out of each exercise and performing them as effectively as possible. Please keep in mind that for each of these exercises, you could choose to perform them with just body weight. If adding weight in the form of dumbbells or kettlebells is a little bit too advanced for you and it's too challenging, then definitely start off with just body weight. And once you're ready for that additional challenge, you can introduce some dumbbells or kettlebells.
The first exercise we have in this workout are goblet squats. We will be performing 4 sets of 10. You can perform these with your heels slightly elevated on a plate to better target your quad muscles. Standing with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart, you're going to sit your hips or butt back as if you're going to sit in a chair, making sure that you're keeping your core engaged and your upper body as upright as possible. Next, we will be doing walking lunges. We're going to perform 4 sets of 20 reps. Start with your feet about hip width apart and take a wide step forward with your first leg, lowering yourself until the thigh or quad of your front leg is about parallel to the floor. Be sure to engage your core and focus on driving up off of that front leg. Continue stepping forward with each lunge, alternating legs as you go. If you find that you're having trouble balancing, go ahead and bring your feet together between each rep. Next up are split squats or stationary lunges. We will be performing 4 sets of 10 reps on each leg. So do 10 reps on one leg, then switch over to the other side and complete 10 reps. That'll be 1 set, and you're going to do that 4 times. Stand tall with your feet about hip distance apart and take a big step back with 1 foot. This is going to be your starting position. Next, lower your back knee until it forms a 90-degree angle. Then drive up using that front leg back into the starting position. You're going to complete 10 reps, nice and controlled. Next up, we have Romanian deadlifts or RDLs. The primary motion here is a hip hinge movement, so make sure that you're initiating this movement by sending your hips back as if you're going to push a drawer closed with your butt. You'll start off with your feet about hip width apart, keeping a neutral spine, bracing your core as you go down. You'll send your hips back and allow your knees to bend naturally. You're not locking them out, but you're also not starting the movement by bending at the knees. We will be performing 4 sets of 10. All right, friends, now we're heading over to the leg extension machine to target our quad muscles a little bit more. Make sure that your thighs are properly secured. That way you're not moving too much from the bench. You can also hold on to the handles or the seat so that you're focusing on just extending your legs without too much momentum or motion. We're going to perform 4 sets of 10, making sure that we're emphasizing that top portion where our leg is extended, because that's the point at which our muscles are going to be under the most tension. Alrighty guys, for the last portion of this exercise, we're going to be doing the leg press machine. If you want to go into further detail about different foot placement options and what they target, I will definitely make a video on that if you let me know. For today, we're going to be taking a narrower stance and trying to target our quads a little bit more. Please, please, please make sure to never lock your knees out completely at the end of each rep. Keep a slight bend in your knee, and then also make sure to keep your butt on the bench.
Okay guys, that is all for today's workout. Please let me know how you liked it in the comments down below. And of course, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and be sure to turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. I will be continuing to post beginner workouts as well as other fitness related videos that are hopefully helpful to you. For daily workout and fitness tips, if you want to keep up with me a little bit more, please feel free to follow me on Instagram at SaucySusie. Have a great rest of your day, guys.